a good afternoon team. We can expect to learn a bit.
I'm the Coast Care Facilitator with the Department of Environment, Land, Water and Planning for Gippsland. So I've got a huge patch. I'm based in Yarram, so I'm much more familiar with the local coastal environment around South Gippsland. And I said to Rob, I can only speak in general terms about the Gippsland lakes.
So we choose to invest as a manager in natural resource management to actually assist people like the Delp, Parks Victoria, Shire and individual community groups. Where can we spend our money to make the most difference are the important questions that we need to flush out. That's not to say that we won't invest in other places when opportunity arises, but the community especially has a very strong ability to influence where we do work, and that is important as a group like this. This land grant group especially has got a reputation in the Delp building up where I work as being people that can just get the job done and give really positive stories.
But what you see there is Melaleuca ericofolia, the swamp paperbark, and the bluvialas, Myoporum, and the Phragmites. They're the three most common types of vegetation along the Tambo River that can withstand a bit of salinity and can handle wet feet, and are really good at binding soil and hanging onto the toe of the bank. They're really good.
Put out the grain untreated for about a week or two, and then we went out to the treated grain and you dig a little V trench, put it in. Some of them wouldn't get touched, so you didn't worry about them anymore. The others would be empty, so you just concentrate on those. We went from 1,000 rabbits in our front paddock down to about 12.
Some fish don't have a very sort of big movement range, and they navigate off their snag that they actually live in, and they move out and come back and move out and come back. And they also need it for refuge from predation, from bigger fish, and also it's a food source.
Birds?
Yeah, birds perch on it, turtles come out, water dragons. It's just so important for so much of the aquatic life. So when you remove those, you're just taking away a critical element of habitat, and which can have devastating effects on aquatic life. So we've gone about putting a lot of those structures back in.